Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of temporary hold, unsuccessful, or insufficient funds. In fact, I have done several videos on this particular topic, and from the previous videos, most of you have commented that you didn't get a solution. Okay, let me tell you something. This temporary hold issue, most of the time, 90% of the time, is a technical error from Facebook. It's a technical error. And apart from Facebook, it is difficult to get a solution. Apart from the solution coming from the Facebook internal team, it is difficult to get a solution. So try to understand. I want you to have the mindset at the beginning of this video that what I'm providing to you is a professional advice based on my experience and what can work for you. But I'm not saying that it must work for you at all costs. I don't want you to watch at the end of the day, you say that, oh, the solution didn't work and what I have provided is useless. No, take time to follow it. Some people have followed and it worked. Personally, I have solved more than 500 of these problems for my clients. Sometimes it doesn't work. There are also a lot of cases where it didn't work. But sometimes we follow up with Facebook support and then a lot of other tricks, and we finally get a solution. So this is it. Temporary hold, unsuccessful, or insufficient funds means that you don't have enough money in your advertising account. The debit card or your payment method that you're using to pay, you don't have enough money. So as you can see here, you see insufficient funds. Now, when you see the insufficient funds, most of the time you scroll down. When you scroll down, you are going to see the last payment that Facebook tried to charge on your advertising account and it wasn't successful. Now, we followed a procedure to get a solution. Let me show you. Let me show you the solution that I had. As you can see here, temporary hold approved. Your ad account is now active and you can run ads again. So we followed a certain procedure and we were able to get this one resolved. So I'm now going to show you what exactly that we did and we were able to get it resolved and the temporary hold was approved. Okay, so let's go into that. Okay, so as I was saying, this is it. When you get to your payment settings and you scroll down under payment methods and payment activity, you will see the last amount that Facebook tried to hold on your ad account and it failed. And for temporary hold, get this clear. They are not trying to deduct money from your ad account. No. Facebook is trying to hold to find out whether you have enough money to run the advert for at least some of the few days you want to run. You know, this Facebook has automatic billing and manual billing. So automatic billing means that when you begin the advert, you are not going to pay anything. You are not, they are not going to deduct any money ahead of time. It will run, and when you spend up to a certain threshold, they will deduct that money from your debit card. So Facebook was trying to see whether the payment method we were using, does it have up to $15? So they tried this $15 and it failed. So actually, the first card that we were using, this is the first one we were using. There was no enough money in that particular card. And when you see here, you see that the payment method was 1585. You can see it here, 1585, 1585. So there was no enough money in that particular card. Okay. So what we had to do is that we had to add another payment method which has enough money on it, which is more than the amount that Facebook was trying to charge. So we added this one, and when we added this debit card and approved it and try the temporary hold again, it was approved. And that is what I just showed you on the previous page. So what we need to understand is this temporary hold, it could be money. It is money problem. Now, some cases you will still have money and you still try several times and it's not working. For example, I have a case where someone has like $100 on their account and Facebook is trying to deduct like $10. They are trying to hold $10 and he has $100 and it is still saying insufficient funds. So in that case, that is a technical error. Okay, that is a technical error. It happens most of the time. You may still have enough money, and it doesn't. You are not able to still get help. So in that particular case, You can contact the Facebook live chat support to see if they can help you. So you can check the link above to watch that video on how to contact Facebook live chat support. Alternatively, you can check the WhatsApp link to WhatsApp us, book a Zoom, and let's help you on how to get it resolved if you try all that and it doesn't work. So you contact us and we help you. You can also check our website links are in the description. You can just follow the link direct to place an order, and then we will be able to be available for you on Zoom. Either you follow the WhatsApp link or you can check the website link. Okay. We'll also check the link to Fiverr. So there are many of the options available that we can follow to help you. If you may also want to create a new advertising account, you can also check the link above on how to create a new advertising account, because in some cases, you may need to create a new advertising account if everything fails. So these are the step-by-step procedure that can help you to get a solution for temporary hold unsuccessful. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.